A large part of Bathorium's business is actually selling into B2B accounts. That's spas, independent retail accounts, and national retailers across the US. The way we've really been able to scale that is through Shopify's international selling tools, such as the duties and taxes. So if an order is over $800, then the customer can see on their end what duties and taxes they're going to pay when the order is delivered. We use the companies and customer accounts feature, which is phenomenal. We can allow different buyers and different members from their team to log into their Shopify account, and they can see their orders, what's due, what's coming up, and what products are left to ship. And then we have payment terms as well, which is the best feature. So we can say, is this a net 30, is it net 60, or is it due on fulfillment or delivery? Having that ability allows my accounting team to really know what funds are coming in and when. It allows my sales team to really see the account history and what terms we've set up. And it also allows our B2B customers to log into their Shopify account and have full visibility into what Bathorium products they're ordering for their store.